Vectorworks includes integrated worksheet and database features that can be used to extract data such as quantities, areas, or volumes from your drawing. For example, worksheets can be used to count drawing elements, like the furniture symbols in this file. The furniture symbols have database records attached to them, with information such as part numbers and price. I can then produce a report such as this one. Because there is a dynamic link between the drawings and the worksheet, when I add or remove objects listed here, the counts will be updated. This combination of worksheets and database information is also used as part of the automated solutions in the Vectorworks design series, and is used to generate reports as varied as architectural door schedules, planting lists for landscape plans, and light plots for theatrical lighting. They can then be exported to spreadsheet and database programs. Vectorworks contains a full-featured scripting language called VectorScript. VectorScript can be used to create a wide range of customized tools, from short macros that automate a common task to entirely new drawing tools that create custom parametric objects. A scripting or programming background is not required for the creation of simple scripts, as the program provides a point-and-click interface.